In this video, we will take you through the weekly cleaning process. Pull down the brewer and lift its front panel. Push in and down on the spout to release it. Pull apart the two components. You can then use your cleaning brush to clean out any buildup. When cleaned, the two components will reattach and snap back into place. When placing back onto the brewer, make sure to push all the way in where the red O-ring is no longer visible. To cover the brewer, you can either pull down the panel manually or pull the entire brewer up and down. You have now performed weekly cleaning for your Egro MoDe.